Alright, what's up guys? It's now day 2 of the Overfender project. It is now Sunday. Bearded Wonder is going to be here in a couple minutes. So like I said, we have the doors done, the front's done, and we got them brand new Kenzais on there with the Kenda KR20s as usual. I think they look pretty damn good. Matched up pretty well. So that's done. Now we're gonna get the ones on the rear. So again with this, we'll match up the body panel just like that, drill it in, and then pretty much just, I think pretty much all of this is gonna get cut. So pretty much, which is really nice, we got a straight line from there to there. It'll probably come to about here is where it's probably gonna go, I would think, because we still got a lip to attach onto there. So it might even be up here. I don't know where exactly that one goes, but we'll see when we mount it up. So Bearded Wonder's here. I'm gonna get shit figured out. I'm gonna get started on it. All right. Ready. See you, Blake. Hey, Joe. It's early. It's only about 8 in the morning. I mean, I guess it's, well, daylight savings time, so it's actually 7, so it is still a little early. But we're getting started here. We got our beginning spot where we're gonna cut a little bit above this line, right? This is where the actual body lip goes to on the kit. So we're gonna start up about here. And then we're just gonna come out, go with this whole arch. So once that gets off, or once that gets cut off, then there's that underlayer that we have to cut, relief cut, and smash up against it, and then we'll seam seal it and everything else. So let's get started on getting that front piece out, and then we'll get the back piece taken care of. Oh, we got a screwdriver. Screwdriver peel.
Open it like you can.
Oh, I heard fender too much. Here you go. peel it open like a tuna can.
Trying.
Huh?
Trying.
Ooh, baby! Miata's down at Clutch Kickers this weekend.
Right.
Yeah. Down in good old Florida. That's where he's at.
Where Adam LZ was going to.
Yeah. Yeah, him, Adam. I don't know who else, but definitely want to attend one of them one day. Damn, I thought it'd be a little easier to fucking part that.
Mm-mm.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
Jesus.
And it's open.
Now what?
Now I get to cut again.
What, the same thing?
Nope. Drop down, have it drop down. Drop down about an inch.
Not about here.
Yeah. Yeah, I would stay about an inch lower than this, and then we'll relief cut and fold it over and then weld it shut.
So we're talking about... Shit. Oh, there's more. I can do it again. Bend you motherfucker!
Is that already loose?
Dial!
It just fold under.
They just folded on it. It's all that fucking dirt.
Yeah.
Why does that look like sticky oil?
Glue.
Alright, so, yeah, come by here, cut it up, and then weld it up, so we'll see you in a minute. Okay, it's gone. So, as you can see, here's the dual layer underneath. So, like Joel said, all we gotta do relief cuts every little bit here, and then that'll give us the ability to bend them up, and we'll shear off the excess, and then we'll tack weld, and we'll seam seal the whole thing, and it'll be good to go. And then it'll be time to put the fender on. So, get the relief cuts done, let's get this thing folded up and welded. I love how they have Ludacris playing like Japan and just drift around parking lots. They're crazy asses. Alright, so we have successfully cut it and folded it up. Looks good. We're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna seam seal it and be done with it. Might do a little spray, just a spray of black. But that's it. So now we're gonna mount up the body piece and drill the holes. And then we're gonna seam seal it, and then we're gonna mount the fender. And then put the Kenzais on and adjust for the Kenzais after we get everything done. So, let's get started. Oh God, we've been going for 19 minutes. I forgot to shut it off. Fuck me. All right, well, anyways, that's been going for 20 fucking minutes. Well, the nuts are in. Kit's about to go on. So we'll come back when the kit's on because fuck me. Well, that side's done. There it is. Matches up. Perfect. That looks really, really good. I haven't been able to see from the back yet, but I think she's a bit thicker. She's just a little thicker. So we still got to seam seal the bottom, and then unfortunately we have to, shit, we got to do the other sides too. So there's the difference you can see. Back over the other side. Way past the bash bar there. Looking nice. I can't wait to see it with Ken's eyes on it. So I'm gonna seam seal this side, and then we're gonna start on the other side. I'm just gonna go through and get that knocked out, and then I'll come back here when we got the wheels all mounted on and get the coils kind of fixed in. Because I think it sits a little higher, so we might have to bring it down a little bit to get the fitment right. So we'll get that figured out, and we'll get back to you when the whole other side's done and we're putting the Ken's eyes on, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. Thanks, guys. Well, guys, the car is done. I'm gonna go outside now and dirty lens. I'll show you the car. War Machine finally got the over fenders and the wheels. We're good to go. Joel, thank you very much for helping me. It's really fucking windy outside, so I'm probably just gonna put some music over it because you're gonna hear me talking for shit. So go out, show you real quick, and I'll come back in. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the look of War Machine with the Cliq Tuning over fenders and Ken's eye wheels and kind of racing tires, the Kaisers as always. So maybe you learned something from it a little bit and wasn't too in depth with it, but I just hope you enjoyed the video. Hope maybe you have any questions or stuff like that, ask down below. It was a pretty quick install, wasn't too bad at all. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory on what needs to be done. It always does help having a second person with you, it really does. We were able to knock out those rear fenders, the cutting and everything in about 4 hours. So thanks to Joel, I appreciate it, man. Well guys, thank you for watching as always. Take care, see you later.